This week, we're going to be talking about the heart. And our heart is a four-chambered heart. So actually, all mammals have a four-chambered heart. So we have four chambers. We have two chambers, which are called the atria, and these receive blood that is returning to the heart. If you think about that word, you might have seen that word in relationship to buildings, for example. The atrium is that first space when you walk into a building where there's like a space between the outside door and the inside door. We also have two ventricles. And these are the pumping chambers. So they pump blood out of the heart. The reason why we have to have two pumps, essentially, and two receiving is that we have what is referred to as a double circuit circulation. Fish, for example, just have a single circuit circulation, and they have one atria and one ventricle, and blood is just simply pumped into the atria and then out, and then it goes to the lung or to their gills and then out to their body and back. But we have a double circuit circulation. So what that means is that we have to have two atria and two ventricles. So the circuits are referred to as the pulmonary circuit. So this is the circuit that pumps blood out to the lungs and picks up oxygen. So this is the right side of the heart. When we look at the other circuit, it is referred to as the systemic circuit. And systemic just means system-wide, right? So this pumps blood out to all of the systems in your body, like even to your brain and then down to your toes, and then blood comes back. And so this is actually your left side of the heart. So if we were to look at this in an image, I want to point out in this image that it's important to realize that the left and the right are reversed. So it is from the perspective of the person's heart. And so even though this is the right side of my paper, this is the left side. So you'll notice that this left side is transporting blood that is red. And we remember all blood is red, but this is a brighter red because it is oxygenated. So blood is going out to the body, up to the out to the body, to the whole body, and then it comes back into the right side of the heart. The right side receives the deoxygenated blood, and then it pumps it out to the pulmonary circuit, which takes it to the capillaries of the lungs. So the alveoli, which is the respiratory surface for the lungs, is where those capillaries obtain the oxygen, and then they carry them back to the heart. So you'll notice that blood is always coming into the atria and being pumped out via the ventricles.